Dharmastu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Dharma means the orders of given by God. There is only one religion, dharma, and only one irreligion, that is adharma. So there may be people who may be wearing a dress of a sadhu, but he may be following adharma, so he is a nastika, he is a asura. So generally people, they think that, oh, now this religion people are fighting with that religion people have anti, so where is God? It is said, Paro Dharma means, what is Paradharma? What is the highest Dharma means? One who can get unalloyed devotion to the Lord in the heart, who develops love for God. That is real religion, that is real Dharma. Our Sanatana Dharma is to connect the Sanatana Atma to the Sanatana Paramatma. So this is Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana Dharma is not only to identify I am Hindu and do whatever we want, nonsense, and then say I am a Hindu, I can do whatever I like. So there are adharmic practices, Nastika practices, and we claim that to be in the name of God. We kill animals. So this is not Dharma. So it may be in Hindu name or Muslim name. The real Muslim is one who has to follow Quran. A real Hindu is one who has to follow his Bhagavad Gita. A real Christian means one who has to follow his Bible. So people who don't follow anything and just have any one trademark, one seal of Hindu, Muslim, Christian, that is not Dharma. But Bhagavad Gita, Krishna never says, I have come to establish Christian Dharma, Muslim Dharma. He is not saying that. Krishna is saying, I have come to establish Dharma. He never told Christian Dharma, Muslim Dharma. So the real Dharma is given by the Lord itself. The whole Bhagavad Gita never speaks about Hindu religion, Muslim religion, Christian religion. It's only speaking on Dharma and Adharma. Sura, Asura. Atheism and Theism. So we are following such a great philosophy of Bhagavad Gita. We are following the Vedic Sanatana Dharma. So we should become really followers of Bhagavad Gita and get people out of this illusion. Generally people, they get bewildered. I have no understanding of religion. I don't like Christianity, so I will change to Muslim Dharma. So somebody, they don't like Muslim, so I become Hindu. So just by changing the dress of Hindu to Muslim or Muslim to Hindu, you have not changed your Dharma. What is Dharma? Dharma is to do seva to God. You should develop love for God. When you develop love for God means you develop love for all the living beings around you. Your real humanity. You will not cut the throat of a goat or of a cow in the name of any religion and say there is no Atma for goat. This is what some people say, that they don't have religion, so we can cut off that and we can give Bali. Our God will become happy. Lord will never become happy when his own children are being killed. We are human beings. As human beings, we have some rights. Similarly, animals also have rights to stay in this world. Jivo jivasya jivanam. The animals have right to kill another animal of its own strength, based on the struggle for existence and survival of the fittest. The nature has made how to live, how to die. They know how to live and how to die. Human being doesn't have to maintain slaughterhouses to think that anyway, if I don't kill animal means what will happen? He doesn't have to worry. We are herbivorous and we also have 2 carnivorous teeth for people who want to eat meat. So we are not after meat eating or no meat eating, we are after following dharma. Dharma means you have to love the other living entities also who are around you. You cannot give pain to somebody more than it is allowed for you to give. When there is husband and wife can lord over husband, or husband will fight with wife. If it is for the benefit of each other, that kind of pain is acceptable in any dharmas. It's a common sense. We try to help each other, so there may be some shouting on each other. That's why husband and wife fight was not taken very seriously. Not that husband is a crooked fellow and wife has to tolerate all the pain whatever the husband is doing, nor wife is very independent. She does anything she likes and she says women is independent, man is independent, you do whatever you like, I like whatever I do. So both are bad actually. As human beings, we not only require to have understanding with other human beings for business, you also require to have understanding between husband and wife, children, neighbors, everyone. So this understanding how to have respect for everybody, we should respect each and every living entity, including our family members. A husband can respect a wife can respect an husband. There is nothing wrong in it. This feeling of hatred for man or for women, both are bad. In humanity, when you love God, you love everybody. That is real spirituality. The real religion never teaches that you should hate your children, your family, your country, or you have to kill other religion people, or you have to kill yourself by torturing your body. This is not real religion.